Now we are on the practical section. In this section, we are going to be practice sumifs function. There are 4 sheets are contained. The first sheet is introduction for the sumifs function. The second one is sales details available. The third one is product details available. The fourth one is salesman or sales rep related information available. So the first one, sales. If you look at this data set, the data set consists that the sales related information. The first column is contained the sales rep ID, then the sales rep zone, and sales rep name, then date of the sale and year of the sale, month of the sale, then product name, then number of boxes sale, and unit price, then the total amount of sale. The second sheet contains the product details. There are 8 product and unit price also available here. The fourth sheet is contained the sales rep details, sales rep ID. There are 12 sales rep, and then they are selling zone also available, and finally the sales rep name also available in the fourth sheet. The details consist that everyday sales details for each sales rep. You can see here the 1st January 2021 the sales people or sales rep selling details available. The second is January 2nd. Likewise, they enter the details up to first quarter. It means that 31st March 2021. The managerial people need the information relative with the sales details. The first one is they need that first quarter total sales amount. So first quarter total sales amount, how can we get it? We can get it by using the sum function. So how can we use it? It's very simple. First I need to put the equal sign, then I need to call the sum function, then start the bracket. You can see that total sales amount where is available. This is the total amount. So entire cell we have to be select to sum the amount. So how can we select? I'm going to be click here, and I'm going to press Ctrl Shift plus down key button. The entire cell will be selected. After that, I'm going to be close the bracket and enter. Now you can see that the first quarter total sales amount $965,032. The second information they need that the first quarter total number of box sale. So number of box you can see here. This is the number of box sales. 18 box, unit price 25, and total is 450. Likewise they entered. So they need that total number of boxes sale. So how can we get it? We can use the sum function. So how can we use it? It's very simple. As usual, first we have to put the equal sign, then we need to call the sum function, then start the bracket and select the number of box one cell, and press the Ctrl Shift plus down key button. Entire cell will be selected, then close the bracket, then enter. So if you enter, you can see 22,501 boxes sold in this quarter. So likewise we can use the sum function to get the total sales amount as well total number of box sales.